Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert GBP into USD on PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and convert GBP to USD so that you can transfer to your bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your PayPal account. Next, you're going to click on Manage Money, and then click on View Money page. Now, once you're on this page here, if you scroll down, you should see that you have GBP. If British Pound Sterling was sent to you, go ahead and click on Convert Currency, and then click on Next, and then click on Convert. But simply follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert GBP into USD on PayPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.